particular place to go. Riding along my automobile, and she tell her way up. I told her softly and sincere. She leaned and whispered in my ear. Cuddling morning, driving slow, with no particular place to go. Place to go. We popped down by the Kokomo. And I was young, the moon was gold. We both decided to take a stroll. Can you imagine the way I felt? I could not fasten the safety belt. Riding along my calaboose, just trying to get that bell loose. All the way home, I held the ground. If the bells wouldn't buzz, cruising and playing the radio, with no particular place to go. Particular place to go. We walked down by the Kokomo. And I was young, the moon was gold. So both decided to take a stroll. Can you imagine the way I felt? I could not fasten the safety belt. Riding along the calaboose, just trying to get that bell loose. All the way home, I held a grudge. If the bells wouldn't buzz, cruising and playing the radio, no particular place to go.